It was Father's Day yesterday, and I usually have something to say on Father's Day. I thought about it. I wasn't going to say anything. But then I started seeing posts of people talking about how they haven't seen their father in so many years and they had a horrible experience, or they had a father who didn't treat them well or did bad things. I didn't have the perfect father. My dad was far from perfect. He caused a lot of hurt. He did things that he shouldn't have. For a while, I tried to distance myself from him. And looking back, I wish I hadn't. My dad passed away several years ago. It's funny how it works. It's sad, actually. Right after my dad passed away, I thought to myself, the things that he did, all the negative, it wasn't there anymore. It just sort of went away. And the things that I remember most about him are the positives. What he taught me, the things that he showed me, this place. I'll never forget it. But the faster I forgave him, the more at peace I was. But I miss him every day. And I just want to say, Happy Father's Day, Dad. I take him with me wherever I go. If you hate your dad or have any anger towards him for the things that he's done, the way that he's treated you, somebody else, you gotta let it go. You don't want to miss this. So I just want to say, Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there.